Are you getting error code WS-116331-5 with an error message? Access to PSN has been temporarily suspended while trying to use the PlayStation Network? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check from another device. If this error appears while using PlayStation Network, your account may be temporarily suspended. To resolve the issue, the first thing you can do is try signing in from another device like a PC or a smartphone. If you can sign in successfully, it means your account is active and the issue might be with the device you are currently using. If you cannot sign in from another device, your account may be suspended due to a violation of the PlayStation Network Terms of Service. You can check this link to know about that in details. This could be due to reasons like breaching the community code of conduct, hate speech, or payment reversals. Method 2. Check your email. The next thing you should do is check the email sent to your PSN sign-in ID or email address for more information. PlayStation usually sends a notification explaining why your account was suspended and how long the suspension will last. So, just check your junk or spam folder for this email. You can also check the account status by visiting My Support. Method 3. Check your suspension status. The next thing you can do is check your suspension status. Go to the PlayStation Support website for account suspensions. Sign in with your PSN email and password. Review your suspension details whether it is temporary or permanent. Method 4. Check your internet connection. Another thing you should check is that your internet connection is stable. You can try connecting the devices to the same network to see if they work properly. You can also restart the router or modem and check that if it helps. You can also open PS5 settings, then head to the network page. Now select Test Internet Connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. You can also connect your service provider for help. Method 5. Restart your router and modem. The next thing you can do is restart the router or modem. To do that, turn off your router and modem, wait at least 5 minutes, turn them back on. Now check if that could resolve the issue. Method 6. Check the server status. Navigate to PS5 settings, select Network, then select View PlayStation Network Status. If there is any ongoing maintenance or issues with the server, then also you may get the error. You can also open the PlayStation Network server page to check for any issues. If there is any issue on the server side, then wait for some time and then check again. Method 7. Change DNS settings. The next thing you can try is change the DNS settings and see if that helps. For that, open PS5 settings, then select Network, then select Settings under Network. Now select Setup Internet Connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network, then go to Options and select Advanced Settings. Scroll down to DNS Settings. Select it and set it to Manual. Now set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once done, select OK. Once done, head to the network page. Now select Test Internet Connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. Method 8. Contact support. If you haven't received a notification or need further assistance, you can visit the PlayStation support page for more information. And there you have it. The methods to fix the issue when you are getting error code WS-116331-5 with an error message, access to PSN has been temporarily suspended. We hope one of these methods has worked for you. Check out the description below for links to purchase the tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.